Alright, that was fun. Right at the end of that video, my cat puked on the carpet and then the storage on my iPad ran out. So, as I was saying, you can work on these 3 problems here, but they are 2 steps. So if you're feeling comfortable, you can go ahead and start working on those 3 problems. I'm going to show you how to do it in 2 steps, and then I'm going to show you how to do it with the shortcut in 1 step. Remember, that shortcut is optional. This shortcut here. That is this guy here. This is the shortcut. That is up to you. I personally like to do always 2 steps, but feel free to do 1 step. I don't remember if I said it in the last video, but always put your parentheses around your scientific notation. So let's go through and let's do a 2-step problem. So I've highlighted my 2 values here, my 2 units. I'm going to start here at mass, and I want to go from mass to moles and from moles to particles. That's going to be my 2-step problem. So starting out with the 98.3 grams of AlCl3, my first step is to go from mass to moles. So I'm going from mass to moles using my molar mass to get between those. I've already calculated the molar mass of aluminum chloride, which is 133.33 AlCl3 is 1 mole AlCl3. Mass, moles. So now we have moved from here to here on our flow chart. We are no longer in grams and we are in moles. Our next step, we need to get from moles to particles. So I can do that again, but this time I have 1 mole is equal to 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd particles, or in this case, molecules. Okay. I'm saying molecules because aluminum chloride is a compound. Your answer should come out to 4.44 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of AlCl3. That is your 2-step problem. If you want to be done with that, cool, stop paying attention, work on this last problem. If you want to learn the shortcut, keep with me. So I'm going to do the shortcut just right here because I'm not going to do this problem on the video. So the shortcut, you can do it on another piece of paper, you can find a margin, some place to write it in. So what you probably notice is that I have 1 mole in 2 places. And this 1 mole in 2 places here, boom, boom, that's going to cancel out because it's just 1 mole over 1 mole. That can cancel out completely, and I can skip the going to the mole step because it's just 1 mole over 1 mole. And I can go straight from here to here. So to go straight from moles or from molar mass and particles, I can do molar mass on bottom and 1 mole on, or I'm sorry, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd particles on top. Or I could do the 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd particles on bottom and molar mass on top. I keep wanting to do the mole. Molar mass. There we go. That kind of looks janky, but that's fine. Okay, so the way I would do this with the shortcut, just going straight from here to here, is by starting at the same way. 98.3 grams, AlCl3, and then I'm going to keep the molar mass on bottom, AlCl3, and I'm going to cancel out these guys and not use it, and I'm just going to put the molar mass, or the 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules on top. So that gets us from grams to particles all in one foul swoop, and your answer will still be the same. So at this point, I would like you to answer this question about the 6.51 times 10 to the 20th molecules of water, and go ahead and try the challenge question as well. Your answer should be, for this question right here, I'm going to do this in another color, your answer should be 0.0195 grams of water. And on the bottom here, you should get 9.95 times 10 to the 27 atoms of nitrogen in one problem. And then for the second problem, for the grams of NH3, you should get 8.45 grams of NH3. Okay, this is just work from before, so you can ignore this work here. But those should be your answers. Come in for help if you have questions. There's also some really good video resources on my website.